Hi there and welcome back. Many people dream of going tiny because they think that this means less work. But unfortunately, that's not the case. The work is still the same, it's just a little bit more tiny. So, let's get started. Old sanitary ware, piles of tiles, scrap metal, building rubble. All in all, just too much trash. Time for a proper cleanup. Just think twice when you'd like to visit us, cause we usually tend to let visitors work. Just kidding. We decided to grab the opportunity to have family around to go all hands on deck. Cause getting rid of trash is no easy thing to do here in Germany. You might wonder, why don't they just take a shovel and scoop everything onto the trailer? Because, as I already said, things are a little bit different here in Germany. You have to sort your trash before you take everything to the recycling yard. A sledgehammer and an old piece of furniture. A 13-year-old's dream.
Das vielleicht sogar mit einem Schlag.
Und jetzt Rückwand. Rückwand, komm. Die ist ja lang. Und die andere Wand auch noch. Well done, nephew. Now that everything is sorted and packed, we are ready to start the convoy to the recycling yard, where there are nearly 20 different containers to separate your trash. Most of the stuff will be recycled and used as raw material for new products. Therefore, you've got to sort everything in different containers, like these ones for scrap metal, plasterboard, building rubble, old wood, paper and cardboards, green waste, PVC, chemicals, styrofoam, old fridges, electronics, and so on and so forth. But the result is worth all the effort. A clean property. Time for a break. And another one of Laszlo's creations. A raspberry passion fruit cake. On the outside, that's a biscuit roll. The filling is passion fruit cream. Yummy!
Sieht doch toll aus. Ist ein Mond drin? Nee, Vanille ist das.
A well-deserved treat.
Das darf man wieder machen. Man kann auch
Genau, entweder das oder halt Minute. Das sähe auch noch gut aus. Ja, genau.
Zweite Ebene.
Ja. Gut. Gut.
Because of his knee surgery, our dear friend Udo is in a convalescent home for a couple of weeks. So, we take care of not 2, but 3 gardens at the moment. Something we are more than happy to do. While Laszlo took care of our neighbor's yard, I decided to paint the rest of our fence. So you see, although everything is tiny, the work itself remains the same. This was, in a nutshell, our weekend. How has yours been? Leave me a comment. Until then, thanks for watching. And as always, stay safe and healthy.